GoodDay Automations facilitates the execution of various tasks by automating repetitive and routine actions. By handling these tasks on behalf of the user, it saves time and allows you to focus on more strategic and important activities. For example, you can use automations to automatically assign a user based on a task type, send notifications to the entire team for urgent items, automatically update status when all subtasks are accomplished, send a reminder the day before a deadline, and much more. To view all the automations, navigate to Tools, Automations. Here, you will find two types of automations, global and project-specific. Global automations apply to all folders and projects within the organization. Project-specific automations apply to individual projects. This is particularly useful when specific automation is required for a particular type of project or department. By selecting either global or project-specific automations, you can see a list of existing automations. To edit or delete an automation, click the corresponding button. Here, you can also disable an automation, which will prevent it from executing until you enable it again. In some cases, it's convenient to see and manage automations that apply to a specific project. To do this, navigate to the project and select Automations from the menu. Here, you can see both project and global automations. Now, let's create an automation. GoodDay comes with many handy automation templates that can help you get started in minutes. For demonstration purposes, let's create an automation from scratch. Each GoodDay automation consists of 3 sections: when, if, and then. First, we'll specify when the automation runs by adding triggers, which are the events that will launch the automation. It's possible to have multiple triggers. In the if section, you can add optional conditions you want to apply. The then section specifies the actions that should be performed. Similar to triggers and conditions, automations can execute multiple actions at once. The summary screen allows you to choose whether the automation should be global or project-specific, enable cascade automation, and enter a custom description. The cascade automation option allows you to stack multiple automations together. When enabled, the action of one automation can trigger another automation, creating a chain of automated actions. The Logs section allows you to monitor automations' execution and ensure they are functioning correctly. Data-arrives automations are triggered based on specific dates rather than user actions or item updates. The data-arrives queue allows you to see all upcoming automations and also perform a test run without waiting for the specific date. The webhooks logs allow you to view all the API calls and troubleshoot errors. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For more information about automation, please visit our support center or contact us.